How long can a N95 mask be used? Actually, there is no fixed timeline of a KN95 mask service providing. Instead, it depends on the way you handle it, the environment amid which it's being used, and its own potentiality, as the mask might be mistakenly faulty from the production. However, we won't leave you disheartened, rather answer your question in a roundabout way as the situation demands. We have actually come up with a number of criteria that signal the expiry of a KN95 mask. You should go through these well, understand them, and try to relate to your mask to decide whether it's further usable or not. Dirty. When the mask's outer portion is filled with a layer of dirt, it is actually a sign of expiry. And, in this case, we strictly forbid you to wash the mask with soap and water solution. Keep in mind that a single try of such a washing makes the mask highly insecure. How? Well, the cleaning process destroys the filter medium material of the mask. As a result, your KN95 mask loses its effectiveness of filtering the air, inhaling and exhaling. In simple words, when you wear a KN95 mask, you may feel a bit of difficulty while exhaling and inhaling. But, time will come when you will start feeling that your exhalation and inhalation have become more difficult. This refers to the damaged condition of the filter system of your KN95 mask. It means you can't use it anymore. Leakage. Unlike a KN95 mask, an N95 mask has no shortcoming at all. According to the health experts, the leakage rate of an N95 mask is totally 0%, whereas a KN95's rate is less than 1%. But, it doesn't mean that an N95 mask will never leak. It will obviously start leaking at a certain point of your use, either tomorrow or the day after it. And, at such a point of time, you are left with no other alternative to discarding the mask. Close fitting. An N95 mask, unlike a KN95, features two straps as fasteners. Remember that the tighter the straps are, the tougher fit you get. And, the tougher the fit, the less the possibility of germs and dirt get to be in touch with your nose. In short, close fitting is a vital thing about which you must be concerned about. When you feel like the straps have become too elastic and there remains a slight gap between your face skin and mask, this is the time to have a new one. So, this was our version of the answer to the question, how long can KN95 masks be used? And, we believe that you are going to have the same reply from any health and mask expert, because there is no mask with a fixed expiry date, just like a pot of juice.